Hi guys, it's Bob. In this video, we'll talk about how you can download answer sheets from Zipgrade that have the student IDs and names already pre-filled in of all the students taking your exam. Now, it's important to note that you don't have to do this. You can use the generic bubble sheets for your exam as long as students put their name and bubble in their student ID completely and correctly. But if you'd like to save them time on that, you can go ahead and do this. First thing you need to do is log in. I'm already logged in, so let me log out here and log back in. The email will be mine, janes.rk@easthartford.org, and the password is capital E, capital H, capital M in math. So that is EH math. You want to see that written out there. Great. Let me log in. Next, we're going to go to classes. You'll see all the classes listed here by teacher last name and then the letter of the period. So you've got period A, C, E, etc. To print off those answer sheets, you can go over to answer sheet packets and press this button here. So I'll pretend I'm April and I'm printing off my A period answer sheets. You can go ahead and give the quiz a name. So for this is the 1920 Algebra 1 SAT midterm. Oh, we're running out of space. Let's call it the Alg 1 SAT mid. Perfect. And then I've got to choose what form, and this is very important. You don't want to choose the wrong form because it won't have the right number of bubbles or grid-ins. So you'll have one of four options here. Either you'll be choosing the Algebra 2 midterm, no calculator, the Algebra 2 midterm with calculator. Actually, you'll choose both of those. You'll need both if you're in Algebra 2. We've got the 1920 Geostats midterm. And we've got the Algebra 1 SAT midterm down here. So since this is April's, we'll go with this one, Algebra 1 SAT midterm. I click that, and it's just downloaded this right here. And this PDF contains, perfect, the student's name, the class, and their student ID is already pre-bubbled in here. And you'll see if I scroll down, I've got all of the students in this class. Now, when I rostered students, I added any students that had been added to your class from the beginning of the year until now, although I did not subtract any students. So you may see a couple extra kids in here that were in the beginning of in your class in the beginning of the year, but are no longer there. Feel free to just discard those answer sheets as you print them out. And you would continue this for all of your other classes that you're testing. Note that since there's a lot of teachers and a lot of classes in the school, once you get to Krober, you may need to select this second set of classes right here, especially if your last name is lower on the alphabet. And there they are.